Step 1. Sprinkle flour on the table. Step 2. Take your pastry and play with it a little till it's softened. Step 3. Roll out the pastry. Step 4. Cut the pastry into a large, round shape. And cut a medium shape of every second cut of the pastry. Step 5. Take the middle part of the medium shape off. Step 6. Apply the jam onto the whole round shape you cut it. Step 7. Put the pastry that the middle part is taken off on top. Step 8. When they are all done, you bake for 10-15 minutes on 100